In this video, I'll talk about why we should never squeeze an image. What does squeezing an image mean? I'll show you. If we transform an image by doing a Command T to transform it, if we take the middle toggle and bring it to the left so that we can put the house inside of this panel, now the house looks unproportioned. It looks like it's been squeezed. What we want to do is, when we transform the image, take any corner of the image and drag it in towards the image to make the whole design smaller. But it's been constrained to be in proportion. That's what we're looking for. But it's missing imagery on the top and the bottom. We can add those areas by using the contextual taskbar. And I'll show you that in the next video. Let's do one more image. I'm going to take the opacity down to 50% and I'm going to transform the image. If I were to squeeze the image in to fit inside of the panel area, do you see how the people in this image are out of proportion? They look too skinny, right? And that's what I mean by don't squeeze the image. What you want to do is transform the image by clicking on one of the corners and dragging it in towards the image. Put it where it needs to be in the design, and then we can add more imagery to the top and the bottom with the contextual taskbar. This lesson will continue in the next video.